Storm watch for Eastern Canada, Ontario, Quebec. You're going to see some heavy rain, thunderstorms, and risk of tornadoes. Yeah, I said it, risk of tornadoes for Ontario, but only 2%. And here it is, current weather conditions across Canada. Let's get to it. I'll get to the watches and warnings later for Ontario, Quebec. Let's go across Canada like usual. Just me, Brian, with you. How you doing from lovely Canada? Your host. Rain on Wednesday, so snow tomorrow. 4 degrees. Then turns to rain, snow mix in the evening. Then overnight, 2 degrees and rain. Rain for several days for British Columbia. Calgary, minus 20s right now. Look at this. Thursday, keep eyeing the system, okay? So this is going to be crazy. So first, it's going to be probably rain snow mix at 6 degrees in the afternoon. The temperatures will drop in the evening, and 6 p.m. will be heavy blowing, drifting snow. So be careful with black ice. So we'll skip to Thursday here in Calgary. This is Thursday. So again, around 6 p.m., heavy blowing, drifting snow at times for Alberta, and some areas could actually get more snow, depends where you are. Some areas could see 30 centimeters of snow in Alberta. That's another story we will tell. But first, we got to tell about the Ontario, Quebec story for tomorrow. And Edmonton, cold, a little bit of snow there on Thursday. Medicine Hat, look at that, 14 degrees and rain. And Saturday, keep eyes some snow and cold temperatures. Banff over the place. 2 to 5 centimeters, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. And Friday, 1 to 2 centimeters of snow. Yellowknife, into the minus 30s. Very normal for there. Normal temperature right now for Yellowknife. Hello, our friends in the north. Special weather statements for Quebec with the vicious cold front coming in, and plus the rain, thunderstorms. Then the vicious cold front comes behind it, and risk of flash freeze, even for Ontario and Quebec. We'll get more warnings on it, but again, 80 to 90 kilometer per hour winds are forecasted. All in the yellow here, risk of some thunderstorms, even spreading to Montreal on Tuesday. So again, but there is a 2% chance of tornado risk in southwestern Ontario. See, we got severe storms in the U.S. side of the border, but it'll affect Canada because we got that warm, massive air that is going over it. And again, 2% risk for southwestern Ontario. We have to keep eye on it tomorrow. Could be some severe thunderstorms. And I can't believe I'm saying this in February, but remember, severe thunderstorms can't produce tornadoes. That's what I usually say in summertime. It's funny. It's a small risk, but possible, right? And again, we got some strong winds with the cold front passing by. So we got this warm air in Ottawa and Ontario, Quebec. Get to the wind speeds here. So this is when the cold front starts to come in on Wednesday. And look at some areas. In the red, that is 100 kilometer per hour winds. And then when the cold front comes in, that's what you get behind it. Snow squalls, lake effect snow. And this is going to be great for lake effect machine behind it, okay? So we have to keep eyeing that. As we get closer to this date and keep eye on the system, how it's going to work. So tomorrow, 12 degrees. Look at that from Montreal. Wow, beautiful. Then Wednesday, of course, rainy and risk of some thunderstorms tomorrow night in Montreal. And also on Wednesday. And remember, when the cold front comes in, it's going to turn into snow with 80 kilometer per hour winds. And look at the temperature drop difference, though. So this is Wednesday afternoon, and look at the temperatures drop. Look at this. Boom. Wednesday at 12 midnight. Just a few hours short period of time. And this is why this is concerning, because of flash freeze. And next Wednesday will be 12 degrees. Then the next day will be minus 10 at 2 p.m. It's just the polar vortex coming down from the north. Quebec, north of Quebec, we'll see cold warnings with this. We got some wild weather in the next 48 hours, I tell you that. And Quebec City, same thing. Halifax, 5 degrees tomorrow. Well, today. Well, no, tomorrow. 9 degrees and rain. Sorry, computer models are not fixed. What I meant to say was today. Today, yes. Because it is... What time is it there? I'm sorry, I'm so out of it right now. 12:50 a.m. And tomorrow, 9 degrees, mix of sun and cloud. Thursday, 7 degrees on Thursday with rain showers. Charlottetown, PI. Tomorrow, 8 degrees, 9 degrees on Thursday.